Welcome back everybody, Coach Carver here. In our last module I went through and I showed you how to pull up a currency pair on TradingView.com. In this module I want to show you how you can customize your chart. So if you'd like a darker background, you're somebody like myself that likes a nice darker theme, you can just simply right click on your screen, come down here to color theme and select dark. From there we can come back, we'll right click again, we'll come to our settings, and we're going to start with appearance. You can go ahead and change your background color. If you like a nice solid color, you can do that, and then you can come in and change your background. I like a nice black background. You can click on whatever would be aesthetically pleasing to you. If you would like to get rid of, chances are you probably have a bunch of horizontal and vertical lines in your chart. If you'd like to get rid of those, you can click here, just turn the opacity all the way down to 0. Do the same with the horizontal. You'll see it probably looks something like that. You can come down here, turn that all the way off. I like a nice clean chart, being able to see. That way I can go ahead and mark it up and I'll be able to make sense of it. If you want session breaks on, you can go ahead and turn them on here, or you can turn them off, and you can change the color of your text. If you like a nice white text on there, or you can change it to any color. Let's say you want yellow, you can change it to any color you would like. So I turn mine back there. You can change the font as well to where it's bigger or smaller. You can come in and do that. You'll have your scale lines here, right? Brighten those, darken them up, and from here you'll be able to have your crosshairs. So this is going to be like on your chart when you're moving your mouse around. This is what you're going to be able to see. You can change that to, again, any color. So you can do that. You can change the thickness of the line. You can do all that here. It's fully customizable and it's pretty good. From here, another good one is going to be a watermark. If you would like a watermark to show up and you can see which currency pair that you are on and the time frame that you're on as well, you can have that pulled up here. You can come in, you can select the color, and you can change the opacity as well. With that being said, guys, go ahead and press OK, and we will right click again. Gonna come down to settings and go up to symbol. From here, we are going to be able to customize our candlesticks. We can customize our bullish candles, which you'll see here on the left hand side, and our bearish candles, which you'll see on the right hand side. So you can come in, you can change the color of the body. Let's say you wanted, whichever color, you can come in and change that. I like mine to a nice blue for bull, and I have white represented as my bearish candles. You can come in, fully customize this as well. Just make sure, again, it's something that you understand and it is something that is aesthetically pleasing to you, where it's not going to get all crazy on the chart. You can change your last price line. This is simply going to be the line where price is currently at. You can come in, you can change this. You can change it to literally any color that you would like. You can come in, and from this point you can uncheck and check any of these that you would like. I leave all of these here unchecked. Another important thing as you're setting up is going to be making sure that your time zone is set to your local time. Go ahead and click on the drop down here, find your local time, go ahead and select it and press OK. From this point we can save our template, guys. If you come back in here where we had our color theme, we can press save and we can say this is my dark theme. Save. And from this point, guys, you have now fully officially customized your chart. And on our next module, I'm going to be showing you how you can go through your basic tools and set up your favorites. And I will catch you guys on this next module.